It's moving day! Finally! Finally! We've been up since 5 a.m. this morning. We've been trying to get everything packed because we are finally moving to our house today. And you can understand how excited I am. We have been living out of suitcases for the past 1 month. Actually, it's been more than a month. And we've been living with 3 or 4 sets of clothes because we didn't want to open everything up. And finally today we get to move to our new house. I cannot do justice to how excited I am right now. So Jordan, we just dropped Jordan off at school. So it's going to be us. We're going to be moving in with the dogs and hopefully we sort everything out before we go pick him up. Now today is going to be a little challenging because a lot of Ubers here don't take dogs and we don't have our own car yet. So we're going to try and have to figure out how to take the dogs, and it's going to rain today. So fun day ahead. So the new house isn't really too far away from here. It's about 2.5 kilometers. We just need to figure out how to do this whole thing with the dogs and with Arijit coming back and forth. So that's what we need to figure out. So we're going to try and get in touch with some Uber drivers now and see if any of them are willing to take dogs. If not, we're going to just walk it. So I'll go with the luggage and then Arijit will follow us with the dogs. So let's see how that goes. Let's go. Alright, so we are finally here, and by here I mean we're in bits and pieces because we have some bits of furniture opened up and some not. So it took us quite a while to get here. I came in the first cab with most of our luggage and Arijit sent the dog's carriers in the next cab and had to walk down because most of the cabs weren't really willing to take the dogs along with us. And we're extremely grateful it didn't rain. We've made it here. And we're finally in our house, and as you can see from the mess at the back, there's a lot going on. We have boxes strewn all over the place at this point, and we've just opened up a sofa bed so there's somewhere to sit. So we just finished doing inventory with our landlord, and what that basically includes is taking stock of whatever is in the house, what condition it's in, whether everything is working or not, and both of us agreeing to the same condition of the house. So we just got done with that. We did our meter readings and all of that. And we finally have the place to ourselves. So a little about the house. We had seen this house more than a month ago, and we actually had to wait because it was only available from the 1st of October. So that's when we finally moved in. So that meant 15 more days of staying in Airbnbs, but I definitely think it was worth it. So a funny story behind this house is I actually saw this house on Rightmove. So it wasn't listed through a broker. It was directly putting us in touch with the landlord, and the landlord mentioned he had close to 32 viewings set up for this house, which was pure insanity, simply because it's in such a great place and it's a really great house, as I'll show you in a bit. But for whatever reason it is, and I'm just so thankful they picked us. We got the house, and it's taken us quite some time to get all the paperwork done, but we finally managed to close things at the end of September, and we finally moved here. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of the house. It's currently not furnished except for one bedroom. One bedroom comes with a small little bed and a wardrobe, but we plan on furnishing it in bits and pieces. We've purchased a lot of stuff locally, which is going to come in over the next few weeks, and we also have our luggage that's coming in closer to the end of this month or early next month, and we'll give you another tour once the house is done. But for now, you can look at the bare bones of this house, and I hope you like it as much as we do. So it's basically a 3 BHK with 1 bathroom and toilet upstairs, and there's another toilet downstairs. And all of this is for $1,600 a month. Now, the lovely part is it's a very quiet neighborhood, so it's extremely peaceful. There isn't really any noise of traffic. And also, it's extremely close to the river. So the river is about 5 minutes from here, and there's also a lake just behind our house. And there's also the Raymil Island, which is about 10 minutes away from the house. So all in all, I think the location is absolutely brilliant. The other great thing about the house is the lavender. So you can actually smell the house before you see it from all the wafting smells of lavender that hit you as you walk down this road. The garden is perfect for our family. It's actually open from 3 sides, which means that there's plenty of legroom for the dogs and for Jordan to run around. So we're really happy about this. We've also got a pretty big garage which is currently being used as the tool shed, and apart from that there are 2 other sheds which we can use as we see fit. So one of the things I absolutely loved about this house was the amount of light it receives. There are huge windows on one side facing the east, so that's beautiful sunlight streaming in the morning. And the French windows actually face the west, so you're getting in all that gorgeous sunlight that comes in streaming in the afternoons and evenings. The upstairs comprises of 3 bedrooms. There are 2 very large bedrooms. We're still contemplating which one to make our master bedroom and which one to reserve as a guest bedroom or a workroom. And the third one is actually a child's room or a children's room. It comes with 1 bed and 1 wardrobe that was already installed with the house, which we're very happy for because Jordan can now use that room. And apart from that, there's also a lovely sized bathroom upstairs. I mean, it's just the perfect size. I'm even thinking of fitting a plant in here. The good thing is there isn't a bathtub because I'm honestly not a fan of bathtubs. So that was our little house, and I'm going to leave you now because I have a lot of unpacking to do. And anyone who knows me will know that I'm obsessed with doing up my house. So I can't really wait to get started to go shopping, to start decorating this place, making it our own. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend, and if you feel you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like and share it with your friends. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please do so. You can also follow me on Instagram at absolutely Ashika. Bye. Thank you.